Great, Tasin here. Today I'm here to actually tell you how to record your screen actually with your video. So hope you can see actually how I'm using my what is that called actually my video. At the same time my screen is also displayed here. Actually whatever I want to show I can show you. So let's start. Actually I will now record and actually show you how really actually it works and what is the application is all about. Guys, you can see here actually Play Store. So let's get into Play Store and just type screen recorder. So once you actually type screen recorder, you will get many screen recorders. Actually you can see the second one, a blue color one, screen recorder, no ads. Just click on it and install it actually, and then already I have installed, so it's showing open option. Just open it. So once you open, you need to change few settings actually, because it is not already has got set properly. So just click on this three lines. Actually you can see on the left side three lines, what is it called actually, horizontal lines. Just click on it, and then here you can see setting option, third option. So just click on setting option, and next after clicking on the setting option, here actually it is asking for the time delay before recording. So before recording it will ask you actually 1 2 3 start actually. So it for actually to you to start, it will give you some time. So actually that's a time delay before recording, and that is a magic button. That all, no need to actually do anything. And the resolution, if you want to change, actually see you can change here whatever you want. Like for example I have kept 60:9. If you want to change your resolution, you can change it. And then the orientation, usually I keep my, what is that called actually, my videos actually landscape. If you want to keep it on the portrait or auto, actually you can keep it. So this is the one. And then here actually record audio, this will be actually off, so you have to keep it on. Actually use microphone. So just click on use microphone, and the audio source should be mic. Okay, so actually just click on mic here, and show textures. Actually when you touch on the screen, actually the red button actually will be shown. So click on the what is that called actually, so touch on it. After touching it, actually you have to go to the developer option, click on OK here. And when you go, where is the developer option? Let me show you. In developer option, actually see here you can see input show textures. So just click on OK. So once you have clicked on OK, let's go to back, and now you can see actually the show textures. Actually the one actually the like a mouse pointer, actually it is showing you. So next is floating toolbar. It is nothing but actually show toolbox will be shown for you actually after once the recording is finished. So that is why actually the floating toolbar, if you want, actually you can click on it. And then show camera. So once you click on the show camera, just it will be off like this, and just click on show camera. And then use camera here, front camera or rear camera, whichever camera you want, actually you can change, but mostly you will use the front camera to explain the screen. So actually I have kept here front camera. So then show camera is very important, then only your image will be, your video also will be recorded. So that's it. So no need to change any of those settings. Actually just after you changing all the settings, let's go to videos. Once you go to videos, here in the lower section, can you see one circle actually blue color with actually a video image? Yes. When you want to start your video, just click on it. So once you click on it, actually it will ask you whether you want to, this type of actually a bar will be shown for you. So if you want to start this, just click on this, what is that called, video button. And then once you are done, again if you go to the same page, after recording everything, just if you go to the same page of screen recorder, the same place actually you will get one cross here, actually a cancel. So actually you can, if you click on it, actually the video will get stopped. As of now I'm recording through actually one more application, so it will not be shown here. So you can see my English grammar classes. Actually that is how I record. You can see my English grammar class 1 and 2 or till 5 6 actually I have recorded the same way. So I have used my PowerPoint presentation slides on my mobile, and actually I have used screen recorder actually to record it. So just have a look at it. Even if you want to trim, actually you can trim here itself. Actually you can actually have your edit your videos here, but usually I edit my videos through InShot or actually by KineMaster. That also I'll explain you some other day. So take care, bye bye.